Hey everyone. So, you may be wondering, how could Earth, sweet Mother Earth, get any more terrifying? Well, I present to you the Camelback cricket. These things are basically demons. The picture is not in that good of quality, so you're gonna have to, look up a picture or something online. If you want to, get an in-depth scale. Here, I'm gonna use this here pokey rod. Jesus, careful, Eduardo. So we're gonna poke one. Now, kids, don't try this at home, or else you will have demons roaming around in your home. So I'm gonna take the pokey stick and very expertly poke. Oh my God! Oh my God! These things are everywhere. They're in the music corner. I play the drums, by the way. I'm really good at it. I swear. Then there's in here, yeah, you can see, I'm pretty sure there's some in there. Not sure, though. Not enough time. Gotta panic. Let's go. Okay, follow me. We're getting out of here. Yeah. Nice sneeze, Eduardo. We barely made it out of there alive. All that we were able to do is poke one of them. Oh. One of the scariest experiences of my life. Now, children, remember this. Don't mess with camelback crickets. They're disgusting, they're terrifying, and no one likes them. Alright? Now, let's end this video with a nice zoom in on my butt and then a nice slap.